Alright guys, so we got another unboxing for you. This should be the front carbon fiber lip. Of course it's not real carbon fiber. I didn't feel like spending all that money, but I bought this off of eBay and we're just going to do a quick unboxing. So we are outside right now. Obviously it's a beautiful day. The dogs are eating my grass. Currently the Tesla is getting the chrome delete, so we will see if, you know, I took it to the same shop and they weren't able to do it the first time, but I bought the pre-cut kit and we'll see if they're able to do it. But in the meantime, let's just unbox this. So from what I remember, this should be 3 pieces that you're supposed to put together, and unlike the other stuff that I bought, I am going to have to drill into the car to get this installed, which, I mean, I'm not looking forward to doing that, but it shouldn't be too bad, honestly. Alright. Alright, so this is the main piece right here. The screws. Okay. That looks pretty good. Hey, if I get back to the car today, I might put this in. Yeah, for the cost of this, it's not that bad. It looks pretty good. This is the middle part. And I gotta go grab that. But this is the middle part. It looks pretty good. Alright, so that's how the full thing looks. And so I got this off of eBay for about $100. And it looks pretty good. I like it. I mean, we'll see how it looks on the car, but it looks pretty good. Yeah, the next time you see the car, hopefully will be done. The chrome delete will be done, and I don't know if I'm going to do an install video. I don't know if I'm going to record that, but I'll definitely show the aftermath after I get this installed. But yeah. So hopefully chrome delete is done and we can move right along with the customization on the Model 3. We got another fail. And this one hurts just a little bit. I mean, I want you guys to take a look at it and I want you to tell me if it looks good or not. So as you can see, you know, I've done quite a few changes to the car. The front lip is installed, but the shop that I took it to, they kind of messed up the alignment of it. So if we come here, this is supposed to come to the edge, and this right here isn't supposed to be so high. Like, this is supposed to be down a little bit and push back, so the fitment, it lines up with the front bumper. But I mean, you tell me, does it, from like a distance, does it matter? Do you guys care? Does it look bad? Does it look good? Since it's not perfect, it kind of hurts my soul because we did have to drill into the front bumper, and it pains me a little bit. It hurts my soul. So I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure if I should leave it on. I found it's kind of like a front lip that I could put over it. It will hide the holes if I do take this off. And I'll clip that right now. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Should I keep it on? Like, I mean, it doesn't look bad, but like, I mean, someone who gets close to it could definitely see that it's not perfectly lined up. And I don't know how the shop that I took it to didn't notice or didn't line it up perfectly. But we do got some good news. The chrome delete on the car is finally done. Yeah, chrome delete looks great. All that chrome is gone. And as you can see, I have this carbon fiber side mirror piece. Looks good. But yeah, let's focus on the chrome delete. And let's look at this. So I got this chrome delete kit. I got it from Teslarati. And like, just the attention to detail, like it came with this little red Tesla logo right there. And oh man, it looks great. So it is a DIY kit, but I did take it to my local shop to get it done, and they did it for me. So I mean, the chrome delete looks amazing. Let's look at the other side. But tell me what you guys think. Does the car look amazing or no? And what do you think of that front lip? As you can see, let me just show you again. This is kind of lined up a little bit too high. This is supposed to go down a little bit, and it's supposed to be tucked underneath it. Yeah, the fitment's a little off. And I did like a test alignment myself, and when I tested it myself, it was perfectly lined up. But I guess, yeah, this shop that I took it to, yeah, they kind of didn't mess around with it long enough, and they just screwed it in. So rip. Yeah, I don't know what to think, man. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Like, should I keep it on? Should I replace it? I honestly don't know at the moment. So we'll see. I mean, it looks good from like a distance. I mean, it's bothering me because, you know, I spent a lot of money on this car, obviously, and I want everything to be perfect. So when there's one thing that's off about it, it kind of, I can't sleep at night. Like, I think about it too much. I'm just like, ugh, it drives me nuts. So, and I'm not gonna lie, it's been keeping me up. Like, I've been thinking about it before I go to sleep. I've been like, oh, it's not perfect. And I know it might be kind of a minor thing, but I mean, overall, of course, the car looks amazing. I love all the things I've been doing to it. Of course, I'm gonna keep the mods coming. There's a lot of changes coming to the channel pretty soon. And I was thinking, hey, maybe I could do a giveaway. So yeah, I bought an extra side mirror piece, but I was thinking in a way to maybe grow my channel a little bit more, I could do a giveaway on the second one that I bought. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like this video, and I will choose a random comment. I'll make sure that the commenter is subscribed to the channel, and then I'll just randomly give it away to someone who's watching this. So stay tuned for that. So again, let me know what you think about the Tesla so far. Do you guys like all the stuff that I'm doing? Should I keep going? Of course, I would like to add a side skirt and the carbon fiber rear diffuser at some point. But the only issue with that is I'm probably gonna scratch some things. Like, my ground clearance is already pretty low with this front lip. So I don't know if I'm gonna do the whole body kit, especially I don't wanna pay $2 grand for a carbon fiber body kit that I'm gonna just scrape up. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Of course, that's Lucy following me around. But again, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and drop a comment. Let's just do a little walk around here. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you like it or no? Again, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.